Good morning, my name is Kaylee and I'm at Inspired to Sew in Cedar Rapids, and I'm going to show you today the 2 ways to properly tie off your bobbin with the Bernina Q Series. The first way I'm going to show you here is on the QMatic software. So I have already queued up my design and pressed the play button on the screen, and this screen pops up next. I have the knot buttons over here turned on, so it's green. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the top thread out and I'm going to hold it here. And then up here I'm going to push on the bobbin up button. So I'm going to click on the button. The needle is going to drop down, picks back up. And then I'm going to gently pull the top thread. And then I use a little grabber here, and then this little loop that I just pulled up is my bobbin thread. So now I have my bobbin thread, my top thread, and now all that I need to do is press go, and I'm just gonna, or the green button will make that knot off stitch because I've already told it to make that knot off stitch, and then it will start to sew. So it took some little stitches, and now it's taken off. Okay, the second way, this would be not using the Bernina software, I'm just gonna maybe do some free motion or ruler work, is I have my keys here that are connected to the little buttons on the arm of the machine. And one I'm going to use is the knot button, right there. So I'm going to, again, hold my bobbin thread, or my top thread. So I have that in my other hand. And then I'm going to tap on the icon that is the knot. And all that's gonna do is...
So that's the number 1.
Yep, that's my number 1 tally mark. So number 1 tally mark. Yeah. Okay, so then when I tap on it just one time, it's gonna drop the needle down, pick it back up. And then again, I should have the little loop, or it might be just a little tie here. So now I have top thread, bobbin thread, okay? Next, to knot the button, to knot here, I'm going to tap on the 1 again, but this time instead of just tapping it, I'm actually gonna push and hold it in. And now it's taken a little locking stitch, so now I can just start to sew. Just like that. And there's the 2 ways to properly bring up your bobbin thread and to make a lock.